Hello, lovely people. You are welcome to my kitchen. Thanks so much for your support. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Today, we are going to have some vegetable stir fry with BPC. Okay, so let's see the things we are going to use. We are using cabbage, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, cucumber, onions, some spring onions, and also tomatoes, butter, seasoning, and we are also going to make use of 2 eggs and some salt, canned fish, and some chili pepper. Okay, so we are going to put some butter in our pan on fire, add salt to our eggs and whisk it very well. Then we are also going to have some of the seasoning to it, just a little, about half a teaspoon or a quarter of teaspoon to it, yes. And then we are going to pour it into our eggs. Okay, and so let it cook a bit. Then I'm just stirring everything together, just splitting them. Then I'm going to add my chili peppers to it, stir fry it for some few seconds, like 30 seconds, and then we'll add some of my onions also to it and stir fry it for extra 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm adding some of the sardine oil to it. That is what I just did, and I'm going to add some of my onions to it. Okay, so we are not doing this to be very soft. I added the tomatoes because I want the tomatoes to at least get enough heat, cook a bit more than the other vegetables, and so that's what we are doing. I'm also going to add all my bell peppers to it, and that is because bell peppers are a bit harder than cabbage, and so you can still get the crunchiness after the stir fry. Cabbage softens faster, so if you decide to put in your cabbage first, you are going to soften it. Okay, so I covered it for 30 seconds, and at this time I'm going to add my cabbage to it and stir fry it for about a minute. And the cucumber is going to be the last thing I'm going to add, and that's because cucumber contains a lot of water and it softens fast, and so if you leave it on fire for long, it is going to be watery for you. Okay, so I'm adding all my onions at this time, and then I'll stir fry it a bit, and then also add my spring onions and the cucumbers to it. So I covered it for some few seconds, just 30 seconds, and that is also okay. And so at this point I'm going to add my cucumbers and my spring onions to it, and then stir fry it for a minute. A minute is okay. So I'll add my sardine also to it, and I'm going to add the spring onions also to it. Please, if you are just joining and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. If you really want to lose weight, then please start from day one. Watch the videos, get your flat tummy water, check the description box for a flat tummy water. I'm sprinkling my seasoning on it, then I'll also sprinkle some salt on it and stir fry all together, and then we are done. Yes, we are almost done with our vegetable stir fry, and this is so good. It tastes like indomie. You need to give this a try and you will love it. Okay, and so this is it for our challenge, our BPC. You can check the description box for how to prepare BPC, and this is our stir fry vegetables. Give it a try and you are going to love it. It tastes so good. The vegetables are crunchy, and so please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Share the video, like, and leave a comment, and also watch out for another recipe. Bye bye.
Say me share the way I'm a man. so me boo, be. Me name say.